Hello, my name is Peter Reardon, and today I want to talk to you about the vast ways that 3D printing technology is revolutionizing the education for blind people. 3D printing, giving sight to the blind. First, however, let's discuss the issues with the current form of education of blind people and how 3D printing helps to solve these issues. There are 7,327,800 blind adults in the United States alone as of 2013, and almost 700,000 blind children. Unfortunately, only approximately 14% of these people will go on to receive a bachelor's degree or higher, resulting in the median annual earnings for the average blind person to be merely $35,300. Here is a graph showing the amount of federal services received as a percentage of those enrolled, based on different biological disabilities. As you can see, the visually impaired receive the least amount of services, at only 0.1% of those enrolling actually receiving services. But how does 3D printing help to ease the pain? 3D printing makes creating tools such as tactile maps and textiles easier to produce and improves the quality. It also makes these same educational tools far more accessible. The 3D printing industry has made great leaps in the complexity and quality of the machine, and particularly in the last decade. The technology has gone well beyond prototyping, rapid tooling, trinkets, and toys. Now 3D printers are producing durable and safe products to real customers in large quantities. Within the last year, Japan's cartographic authorities have announced that it has developed a software which allows users to produce low-cost geographical maps of the country for visually impaired students. The maps are easily accessible and downloadable from the software. It ensures that highways, walkways, or railway lines are well differentiated in the final product. These lines and streets will have a height of 1 millimeter, easily detectable to a Braille reader. There are also plans to introduce topographical features such as uneven surfaces and hills, so these maps can be used in courses for the blind focuses on emergencies and earthquake or tsunami-related evacuations. The constantly developing 3D printing technologies over the past decade have resulted in a machine capable of producing high-quality textiles and three-dimensional objects in various textures, colors, and materials. 3D printers are not only becoming more available at increasingly affordable prices due to advancements in technology, expiring patents, and increasing competition, but are also being provided with user-friendly interfaces, which enable amateurs to easily create custom products to meet their needs. The Accessibility Metadata Project, which aims to add metadata tags to digital files for 3D printing, worked with MarketBot to create the Thingiverse website. Any design created by anyone around the world can be uploaded to Thingiverse and can be downloaded and printed by anyone else. Also, because the Accessibility Project improved metadata tags, these designs are even easier to find. In addition, the use of 3D printers for commercial purposes has increased dramatically in the last couple of years. Here is a graph showing the amount of commercial 3D printers in use in 2008 and 2013. In 2008, we could see only 355 3D printers were in use, and in 2013, about 23,000. This is a 6,500% increase in the usage of 3D printers in just 5 years. While the education of visually impaired people is vital, making the 3D printer more popular and accessible comes at a cost, legally, economically, and ecologically. From a legal standpoint, guns and other unregulated objects can be printed from any 3D printer. If someone stabs someone with a 3D printed knife or breaks their neck with a 3D printed bicycle, who is responsible? Is it the owner of the printer, the manufacturer of the printer, or the person who printed it? This can cause a whole lot of lawsuits. Economically, it is an issue too, as anyone can print any product from their printer. What's stopping someone from making their favorite Harry Potter dolls and selling them privately? This will decrease revenue from the producers of products like Harry Potter dolls vastly. Ecologically, large quantities of plastics are used to print. An unhealthy amount of air emissions are exerted from the machine, and the printers are simply huge energy consumers, which is something we don't have much to spare of in the first place.